Welcome to a journey through time, all the way back to the dawn of life on Earth. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking study that has pushed our understanding of life's origins to new depths. Led by researchers at the University of Bristol, this study has uncovered fascinating insights about LUCA, the last universal common ancestor, from which all life on Earth descends. Imagine, if you will, a world 4.2 billion years ago. The Earth is young, barely cooled from its fiery formation. The landscape is alien. No plants, no animals, not even the simplest microbes we might recognize today. Yet, in this primordial soup, something extraordinary was happening. Life was beginning to take hold, and at its root was LUCA. But what exactly was LUCA, and why is it so important? LUCA stands for the last universal common ancestor, a hypothetical organism from which all current life on Earth descends. It's the trunk of the tree of life before it split into the three main branches we recognize today: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya, which includes all plants, animals, and fungi. The researchers used an ingenious approach to pinpoint when LUCA existed. They compared the genes of living species, counting the mutations that have occurred in their DNA sequences since they shared a common ancestor in LUCA. By using known dates from the fossil record as calibration points, they were able to calculate when LUCA must have lived, about 4.2 billion years ago. This finding is astonishing because it places the origin of life much earlier than previously thought, just a few 100 million years after the Earth itself formed. The researchers also used complex evolutionary models to reconstruct LUCA's biology. What they found was fascinating. Far from being a simple proto-organism, LUCA was surprisingly complex, not too different from modern prokaryotes, which are single-celled organisms without a nucleus. One of the most intriguing discoveries was that LUCA possessed an early immune system. This suggests that even 4.2 billion years ago, life was already engaged in an arms race with viruses. It's a stark reminder that the struggle for survival has been a constant theme throughout life's history on Earth. The implications of this study extend far beyond just understanding our ancient ancestor. It gives us insights into the earliest ecosystems on Earth. Professor Tim Lenton, a co-author from the University of Exeter, suggests that LUCA wasn't living in isolation. Its waste would have been food for other microbes, like methanogens, creating a recycling ecosystem. This paints a picture of a complex, interconnected web of life existing on Earth far earlier than we previously imagined. This research also has exciting implications for the search for life elsewhere in the universe. The speed at which life established itself on Earth suggests that if conditions are right, life could flourish quickly on other planets too. As Professor Philip Donoghue, another co-author, points out, this study suggests that life may be thriving on Earth-like biospheres elsewhere in the universe. The methods used in this study are as groundbreaking as the results. By combining data and techniques from multiple disciplines, including genetics, evolutionary biology, and earth sciences, the researchers were able to gain insights that no single field could have achieved alone. This interdisciplinary approach may well set the standard for future studies into early life and evolution. Looking ahead, this research opens up new avenues for exploration. It provides a foundation for more detailed studies into the subsequent evolution of prokaryotes, including the lesser-studied archaea. It also raises intriguing questions about the co-evolution of life and the Earth system. How did these early organisms shape their environment? And how did changes in the environment drive their evolution? As we reflect on this remarkable study, we're left with a sense of awe at the resilience and adaptability of life. From its earliest beginnings, life has been complex, interconnected, and engaged in a constant process of adaptation and evolution. LUCA, our ancient ancestor, was not just surviving in a harsh, early Earth, it was thriving, setting the stage for the incredible diversity of life we see today. This research reminds us that we are all connected, not just to each other, but to every living thing on this planet. We are all descendants of LUCA, carrying within us the echoes of that ancient organism that lived 4.2 billion years ago. As we face the challenges of our time, including climate change and biodiversity loss, perhaps we can draw inspiration from the resilience of our oldest ancestor. In conclusion, this study not only pushes back the timeline of life on Earth, but also expands our understanding of how quickly complex ecosystems can develop. It opens up new possibilities for the existence of life elsewhere in the universe and provides a new framework for studying the origins and evolution of life. As we continue to explore these questions, we're not just learning about our past, we're gaining insights that could shape our future understanding of life, both on Earth and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of life's origins, we're reminded that science is an ongoing process of discovery, always pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, we are all part of life's grand 4.2 billion-year-old story.